Okay, many of you have been asking, so I'm going to show you the whole place. This is the only subdivision in all of Coron. Coron, which is in Palawan. This is one of the top destinations, especially if you're into snorkeling and scuba diving, because they have it all here. And it's one of the most beautiful places anywhere in the Philippines. They have a great nightlife and an awesome, awesome vibe. Like, parties can be found every night, or peace and quiet can be found every night. So the great thing about this subdivision here is they have certain standards, and all the custom made homes that are in here are not made with cement blocks. Instead, everything is done in poured concrete forms. So everything is fantastic and beautiful here. So I'm going to show you this house. Now, this house is going for 12 million pesos. To give you an idea, the empty lots that are around here are 10 million pesos. So you're getting a house for 2 million that probably costs 6 to 8 million pesos just to build, never mind furnish. So let's go through. Now, keep in mind, no one has lived here for about 8 months. It was just finished. He came and visited one time 8 months ago, and that's it. So yes, the pool doesn't really have any water in it except for from the rain, that kind of thing. But otherwise, the place is stunning. So come with me. Let's go. You have 2 gates, your man gate, and then your parking gate over there, where we have our motorbike, and there's another motorbike that I'm pretty sure comes with the house, by the way. Not mine, his. Come on in. So the pool, because it had to fit this lot, is a long, deep, great pool. And I like how the ledge overhangs it too. It's kind of cool. So if you want to hide from somebody, just swim underneath it. Anyway, just imagine it nice and clean and blue and full, other than just rainwater. It is brand new, so just keep that in mind. And let's go, doesn't matter. See, as you can see, there's this huge sliding glass doors here that allow you to go in, but the big main front door is enormous as well. Everything's got inset lighting into everything, so CCTV through the whole place. Great finishings all over. Even if you look up at the eaves up here, look at that. That wood paneling looks so fantastic. All right, let's go. Come on in, come on in. So the lighting in here has all been done custom. We've got this, I think it's a 6 horsepower Samsung cartridge air conditioner. Absolutely crazy. We don't run it right now because we're just on solar. Because nobody's living here, there was no need to turn the power company back on. So it's been cut off for now, just turned off manually. And so we don't run this while we've been staying here while we were here, but just imagine if you were. You could be running this, and this would cool this massive, massive dining, kitchen, living area. All this is great sofa chairs with the pull-outs like that. Really nice, big screen TV. Fans are all over. Glass doors there, so you can go to your side yard where you have a barbecue that is stainless steel, and it will be coming with it as well, and a patio area, and different balconies for each of the bedrooms on this side as well. So let's go through. You already have one CR here. Everything here, every single bathroom, there's many of them, all have these lit up mirrors. Of course, really nice. Great faucets. Japanese toilets, okay? You got your own remote control. We unplugged them for now because it was annoying. Every time you come into the bathroom, they all just open. It's like this feature. The problem is well, we just came in to wash our hands. And I was like, why am I wasting electricity? We're still only on battery. Okay. Why not? Let's do the kitchen. Look at this beautiful granite top here. Marble granite top. I think it's marble. Kitchen here, it's got all the latest and greatest of appliances. I don't think I've turned all the lights on. No, I haven't, but that's okay. Anyway, great fridge, freezer combination. Everything is included with this. So you would get it all as well. This is one of those very, very fancy kitchen sinks. It's a little dark, I know, I'm sorry. But yeah, it's not even on right now, I don't think. Oh, it is. Yeah, so it's, yeah, not sure. I don't even know how to use it, I'm gonna be honest. But this has this thing here, you can wash glasses, you put it down, it sprays up and washes the glasses. It's got all these different settings and things, and it's way too crazy for me. Even this shoots out water down here to wash your plates, so you run your plates under it. It's got a garbage disposal down here as well, so you can see that under there. You have a gas fire arranged here. with the range hood. All of this, everything is going to come with it. So you're going to be all set. Really, really beautiful spot. The dirty kitchen, because in the Philippines you have them, but it's an indoor dirty kitchen. So you see here, this is where you're going to really do your washing your dishes and stuff like that. Plus, it's kind of like a two thing. It works in dual different purposes because you can wash your clothes, or if you want a hand wash or anything. But of course, you have a latest and greatest washing machine here as well. So lots of space, everything. This goes out, I should show you quick. This is the solar room over here, and the battery room, and the pump room, and the air filtration room, or water filtration, sorry. So here you go. Water filtration system in here. Your pump for the pool is in here as well. Pressure tank, the battery controller for the solar power for the house. And then up here, there is a water tank up there you can climb up to. And so you have a great water storage here as well. And this is one of the other balconies that we're going to go look at in a minute. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, so here we go. So one bathroom was already over there. Well, each of these bedrooms also has its own bathroom. Okay, as you can see, another Japanese toilet. I unplugged it, yes. Another light up mirror, a whole thing. Beautiful shower here. Hot and cold water, no problem. It's on the roof, and it is extremely hot, by the way. It's solar, but we never complain about how much hot water this house has. Split aircon, of course, built-in closets, and out to your balcony, patio sort of thing. Out to the side of the house. You can do some more landscaping to give yourself more privacy, of course. So that's one, and all the rooms are kind of the same. They're big, that's the great thing about them, but they're also kind of the same sort of look, you know? Same thing here, split aircon, the balcony, and the same bathroom with the Japanese toilet, great shower, everything. Everything's kind of the same, so I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on that. I'm gonna make this quick for you guys. And this is just a storage closet over here where they just got some random stuff, but you could make it a pantry. It's quite big. And then the master bedroom, as you can see, huge bed in here, no problem. Got a great air conditioner in here, keeps nice and cool. This we brought in from the outside because we don't want our own battery only. We just want the air conditioning in one room while we're visiting. And so this is the room we picked to do that. And so I can work, and, you know, Laura can watch TV, and Catherine can read a book, whatever. But yeah, everything will come furnished. So what you see will come with it. And I don't even know, maybe his gym equipment too. He's got a little bit of gym equipment. He does own Gold's Gym in Iloilo. Great, huge closet built right into here, like a his and hers. And the master bath, as you can see, that's what the toilet does when you walk in. I just walked in a second ago. But as you can see, it is the same layout, but just a little larger. Yeah, and I was just cleaning the filter for the air conditioner, so don't mind that. That'll go back up into that in a second. But yeah, this is a beautiful place. The balcony you saw from outside before, and 12 million pesos. So custom built in the only subdivision in all of Coron, which everybody wants to get in here, but the 10 million peso threshold to buy a lot in here is probably holding some people back. So yeah, this is a great deal. I know people are saying, well, why, if it's a great deal, why is he selling it? Yeah, he's selling it because, well, he was living in that apartment over there when they were down here, and that's where they said, oh, let's just buy a house here. But then they wanted to have a baby. They wanted to open a Gold's Gym. They went to visit Iloilo because of my videos, and they ended up living in Iloilo now in one of the best subdivisions out there. So yeah, just his circumstances changed, and what he wants out of life changed, and so of course he's just ready to get rid of it and move on. And he's got properties all over, to be honest. He has a beachfront property that has nothing on it, also here, and in other places too. So he needs to just simplify his life, to be honest. But so yeah, great deal. You got a corner lot right here. That house is just getting finished or started. I'm not sure how that's going. This is definitely just started, but this will give you a good idea the type of construction that I'm talking about. As you can see, you're not going to see any cinder blocks here or anything like that. Everything is done with forms, and then the cement truck comes and everything gets done very heavy duty. And Palawan does not get any earthquakes or anything. So you imagine how strong and how long that's going to last in an area that doesn't have to deal with any earthquakes or anything. No fault lines over here. Beautiful place, absolutely beautiful. Coron is beautiful. You know, I have a lot of videos from Coron, so definitely come and check it out. And so if you're interested, I'm hoping he's going to post it soon on TPL Buy. He's currently out of the country, but he's going to be coming here in a couple weeks. He's going to get the pool done and ready, and then he's going to list it hopefully at tplbuy.com. It's absolutely free, by the way. You can find properties, all kinds of stuff. And yeah, otherwise you can message me in the meantime, and I'll just give you his Facebook profile. This is not subsidized, or what do you call that? This is not sponsored in any way. This is just a friend of mine. Let me stay at his house. I did get to stay here, so that's cool. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Plus, don't forget, you live here. You can walk over there to that amazing clubhouse, pool, everything. Like, it's got a restaurant. It's just unbelievable because it's also a hotel in there. And yeah, it's a really, really, really lovely area.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.